Welcome back to our lesson. As we talked last time that we stopped at where we was able to see the event working. We could click and see the ID, which was our initial stage, and the people were now saying that okay, but can we see how we can pull all the data inside there and experience how it will work? And they say no problem, we'll show that, even though that is not one of our main goal, because we show you the two ways together. So we'll start with what people have requested, which is to pull all the data and also keep them in the data attributes and then showing them whenever it's necessary. So let's remember our data the needed data is all about we need data about the course name and the date enrolled. Those are the things that we need. So if those are the things that we need, we'll keep that data, we'll start getting that data area even before we do anything. So how do we do that? We should go back here, we should go to the SQL level, and here is where we should get those particular data as early as possible, because if we don't do that here, we can't get those data as we go forward. So so we have ID already, student ID already, so we can say the next thing we are going to get is the course name. I should verify that because I don't memorize this information. So let me see on the string. There is S name and S description. We just need S name and yep, S name. But also we need on the enrollment, we need the year of enrollment. That's the thing. Year of enrollment, year enrolled. And so year enrolled is under E dot year enrolled. I don't know where they're coming from. They seems to be available. So we get this. After getting this information, we don't use them anywhere. We just keep them somewhere and we use them for specific reasons. So the first level is with this same pattern. We can say okay, the ID is that. So the next thing I can say, it will be the ID, the course, and the so we have that, the ID, so to course will be number 3 and the year will be number 4, and here I should change this from ID to year. Alright, so if I do that, I will not get exactly what I want, but I will get the year and one course that this particular person is taking. So this is not the best way to go, but let's do it for you who asked it. So what we are going to do, we are going to say ID and then concatenate course and concatenate and with what? Yeah, and I should concatenate again with something else here. So that's why I'm saying this is not the best way, because it will lack some of the information that we need. But as long as that people has requested, yeah, let's give them the experience so that they can see what they will get. Yeah, after that I think we are going to be done with this part. Okay, and so I'll click that. I have web development and this here, but this person has taken 3 courses. So looking at that, you realize that it's not showing us all the things that we want. Why it's not showing all the things that we want is because we need to go back to the database with the ID to ask for information about this particular person, but in the context of the 2 table, or the 3, but the 2 tables, which is the table for the table for enrollment and the table for course stream. So when we get that information from that, then that is the information which will be full. We can show to the user that these are the information you need to see. But another thing is we need to format also the look of the end result. So this will end here because this is what people have requested to see how it will look, and we are not going to spend a lot of time designing something that is not complete. But we are happy that now you can see what you are seeing, because that's the only thing you are going to be able to see. Apart from that, yeah, the rest is going to be available on the other courses that we prepared to make sure that you can be able to go back to the database with the ID of the student. But now you are going to ask for information of the other student about the courses and the year of enrollment. Until next time, thank you very much. See you. It's Remy Gakwaya from Technolab, where technologies are being created.